Beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm back again with another video. Now today's video going kind of different from the ones when I did do, because this Ada Jesus mama matter where Odumeje give them 1 million naira, and then she say she and her children don't need the money. Normally I for do the video by myself, but I say make a call on another person, so we will get other opinion. I dey see comments from my comment box. Some people say why she reject the money. Some people say if not them, they will definitely reject the money. So different opinion. That's why I say make I still get different opinion for this particular video. So I will call on Lady J, my friend for YouTube. So we hear what she got to talk. All right. Okay. Make I show the people who they talk. Okay, Lady J from YouTube. When they talk. At a video.
My people, well done. I know say a lot of una go know me. Though for some time now, my channel like saying na news because they talk to, but I still dey touch everywhere. So Queen, thank you very much for this opportunity.
No problem.
To start with, Ada Jesus matter, it don't really dey go viral for some days now, if not 1 week. And this Ada Jesus matter, not be only for Nigeria, it is trend presently. Some of us know. Ada Jesus matter, it don't go outside Nigeria. A lot of people don't show interest. Sake of say first, the way Odumeje and Rita Edochie react.
I hope everybody they hear what she they talk, because the volume is a bit low and they try to high volume everywhere, but the volume is high.
And I'm sure the volume. Yes.
Your side is high?
I sure say the volume will come at.
Okay.
So to start with, because of the way Odumeje and Rita Edochie still reject Ada Jesus. For me, na rejection I go call her. Because if really, to start with, say the way they take carry Ada Jesus go there, they forgive Ada Jesus. I sure say this matter one with the shook mouth good, so if I don't die since. But sake of say they reject Ada Jesus, they carry Ada Jesus go meet person when not be pastor, when they call her say na juju man. Some people get where they call their own. But for me, I will call her juju man. If forgive Ada Jesus, he can't give Ada Jesus 100,000 naira. Make she take joy and take go for her treatment, because that man they believe say that Ada Jesus matter so na physical, not be spiritual. If you understand?
Yes.
Then they believe say that Ada Jesus matter na physical. But sake of say they carry Ada Jesus go to Meje, but Meje they make people they say na him Ada Jesus matter. To me, Odumeje not get 1% hands. Secondly, now Odumeje can invite Ada Jesus family after he don't reject them. He can invite them, say he won't forgive Ada Jesus. If you want to forgive Ada Jesus, must you invite the family back? It's not compulsory, so you go invite the family, because Ada Jesus already the hospital.
I understand.
Yes, you're not supposed to invite the family. That means you get another motive, or the thing not come from your mind. Now you invite Ada Jesus family because say you don't forgive, because it's 1 million naira. My brother, that 1 million naira want to Odumeje bring. So people when we say they're not even men of God, they don't bring money when they pass that one. So for Odumeje to come say they bring 1 million, me I look and say, if they look and say na insult to rap, say juju man go forgive Ada, go give am money. And you when you claim say you be pastor, you don't feel forgive to them. Because there are a lot of pressure they come from right, left, center. You come, and if you now look the way to Meje, if you now really watch that video, I shall say Queen do the video for our channel. Make you go down.
Yes, I kind of.
Yeah, who never watched that video? Make check Queen videos. You go see the video what to Meje forgive Ada Jesus. The one to Meje act for that place. See what they talk. He said he wants make this serve as a lesson to all those when they talk bad about him. Say he no be person when you go joke with. Make I use his statement. He said I'm a dangerous man. You there for altar, they forgive person. You see, they let people, they know and say like you are a dangerous man. So if now you be that Jesus, mama, I know they blame the woman. Because me one day, yes, so I they accept things from people, but my own body said it's still a hot. If I see what it is straight, I go talk and say it is straight. To me, waiting at that Jesus, mama, do I clap for her because I'm also a mother. You know, if you can give me medicine after death. This one I didn't call medicine after death. So
me.
When people they say Odumeje not get am for Ada Wahala.
Yes.
Because if you are listening again for the video, Queen, sorry, just give me 1 more minute.
No, no problem. Take your time.
Odumeje can still let us know say this 1 million we they give them, make they use our join, go to what they want to do for that Jesus treatment. He not talk and say na he dey responsible. So therefore, the rope when he tie, he won't lose am now. I be una hear anything for the video like that? Odumeje not talk anything like that.
Normally before,
Yes.
I know they feel say na Odumeje na do and that Jesus. And they feel say na kidney. See, my own feelings for this matter, they me. Yes, my beautiful people, me normally, sis, wetin I think I get mixed feeling for this Ada Jesus mama matter. And me, normally my own feelings, the way I think this matter, it go offend people. Number one, they never carry Ada Jesus go hospital, go check the girl well. Before they begin, they carry. No forget say this Odumeje na then go meet am. Odumeje fed dey your own church get. The spread what Odumeje they spread say na he get hand for Ada Jesus sickness. Not be because say they carry Ada Jesus go in church, go beg and make you forgive her. What he concern vulture with Baba? Now them fair carry themselves go fair find Odumeje first of all. He get one video where that she marrying guy, the native guy. He dey ask them, una sure say no be kidney they sick this girl because he don't hear before. I don't hear on social media say she gets sickness, kidney sickness. The guy they answer, una sure say no be kidney. I wonder. Mama Ada, Papa Ada, they answer now. Una say lao say the girl never see kidney before. Now begin carry and they beg people. Meanwhile, na kidney they do one. Odumeje, when they just call them and forgive them, what I feel say Odumeje they do now because 2-3 days for hospital where Ada Jesus they should don't be better. Make it not be like saying a mad night they make it. Don't cuckoo call them, make it forgive them on time. Before the girl go call well, no guy man. You know say the that Jesus don't talk and say Odumeje na show man. You not get nothing, you not do nothing. You not do nothing, na show man. Make it not be like say the girl well. Not be you say na you hold the girl. Not be the girl don't well now. You don't quickly call them and forgive them. But that money aspect, what do you think for that money aspect? Mama Ada get grudges with Odumeje because Odumeje no forgive his daughter. That's not the reason why Mama Ada refused that money. Now, if not that reason, now make Mama Ada refuse that money, see Ada Jesus, he offend Odumeje. In as much as say, Odumeje not do like pastor, you know, he do like normal. I don't understand. You know those our mama that time when he play, I said them with their neighbor go quarrel 1 year. All of them they face me, I face you, come back, but they know they talk with this person. You know those kind of thing. So Odumeje no act like pastor and forgive at that time. Now when people come begin they talk for social media, now he come begin they realize them. That's why he call them back again and forgive the girl. Now that part Odumeje don't already make mistake. And when he make the mistake, they shop Odumeje wrong. He don't forgive Ada Jesus. Mama Ada, I feel say she never forgive him because the ending of that video where that man, that pastor be who that man be, that pastor, when the man they talk say the family no want the money. For background self, you go, yes, say mama and dad, they clap hand. Make them send account number. That place, I feel say, wait, which kind? Honestly speaking, this is me, or this is my own feeling. I don't tell una say me gonna bring insult to this video. This is how I feel. If you don't like you for no collect them. And even if you collect them, no be say anybody will know Odumeje should tag him. Let them send account number. She rude for that place. Me I call the look say, see cash madam. See cash madam. They give you 1 million. Odumeje, okay, more talk now, so Odumeje no get bank account. Because if Odumeje get bank account, if wire the money enter on a bank account, you know what the money be carry her in bundle the way it can go drop am for a church. Not be say you go come on social media. Abi? Not be say you go just come on social media say they should tag him, they should send account number. See, now later when this woman there for outside, be like front of a car, you get one video where she do 1 minute video where she can calm down, they explain. Now that one I feel say it makes sense. In as much as I feel say now the thing where happen, I see the woman mind though. Now that one calm down. Not be the one when they talk with that man, they talk, the back of his mind, they clap and they should tag him. Me and my children, we don't want his money. I was like, I know they see even that Rita Edochie, I never even finish the matter. Because I feel say Rita Edochie never even forgive Ada. You see this Odumeje, since when this matter started, I never want to support Odumeje. But I like the way they forgive Ada, even though say they don't want for show or they don't want for anything. Now front of what now you do all your rubbish. Abi. Now front of what I take forgive the family, hug the family, dash their money front of water. And I believe say front of water the grudges, una for don't settle the grudges, everything don't you know, everything don't already level down. Everybody move your own. Your daughter wrong Odumeje as Odumeje wrong una. See, Ada wrong Odumeje o. At least all the video they online, people they see am. Even though say na fake pastor, no pastor won't make you call a fake pastor. You don't call Odumeje fake pastor. You don't say Odumeje na wicked person. She don't do video upon video for Odumeje head. And that's still wrong Odumeje, just as Odumeje still wrong am. When the girl they in front of water, Odumeje for forgive as man of God even. Two of them wrong each other. But the time when Odumeje take wake up, 9 be morning when he take forgive Ada. You know they inside.
You see, if now waiting, be say now he really do. If I see me the carry that Jesus come back to the altar, make you undo what he do,
Abi o.
But this one shows say this are that Jesus sickness. If you really be saying that the kidney problem.
Yes, and if na the kidney problem, na parents are they blame. Una go carry una pikin. Make sure say una check medically first before na they go spiritual. Make that they go they beg everybody. As if na Odumeje forgiveness na go just heal the girl.
Odumeje don't prove to the world say he and an elect nothing. So every one of us don't know now say Odumeje and an elect nothing. But now the way Ada talk about Odumeje, if you see those videos, Ada really do wrong. Ada really.
And him mama no see all those ones so. Him mama no see all those ones.
You don't tell me say you don't see all those videos.
Me, I know they tell you na so Odumeje no do wrong. But I still they tell you na say mama Ada no still right even.
Yes. Because
all of them wrong. Maybe if na some people as I dey see for my comment box. If na me I for not take the money. Make I not forget say na forgiveness now Odumeje take this position when he did so. Now the same thing when mama Odumeje do Ada now mama don't they bring that now so. Because the forgiveness never come from mama Ada body also to forgive Odumeje. If not, you they say she talk and say she don't know where her daughter even dey. People don't take over the matter. People will take the matter, not go make your daughter a millionaire. They can only maybe treat your daughter and beside her kidney now this girl is sick, which is not cheap. Any money go a long way. Okay, now, more talk and say, this money self no be even for family. When Mama Ada say, me and my children, we don't want the money as if they give family. They no give family. And which of the family now Mama Ada they represent?
I don't know.
Which of the family now the man they represent? Pastors, they do that into themselves. So, like pastors, their matter, pastors, they always, if one pastor just make mistake like this, they pin and down, they use and they get message to preach, they use and they code, they use and they go just enter as if like now because a pastor team for Nigeria, the pastor team for Africa, it don't too much. When na competition, I go say it too much as if na business. The pastor, I know just, but Mama Ada, even if you want to reject the money, because normally you get right to say I need it or I don't need it. You know go do one like that. They clap and say he should bring accounts. Cash madam. Make the tagger make it bring account so they will send the money. My children and I don't need the money. There are better ways for you to do it. Number one, we all see say Odumeje give you the money cash for front of water. You don't want it, no problem. The person will collect the money for come out come talk say he no want time. Make it be say a mistake. Not be say Papa collect money, Mama say he no want. Papa and family now go collect money. Mama and family say you know what. Which family una they represent? The house scatter be the house they together. Who be the head of the house? No. Because people now say they even the judge. You can't be like say Papa Ada make mistake. Papa Ada na still Papa Ada. Mama Ada na Mama Ada. Two of them get right for this particular matter. But which of the family Mama Ada represent and which of the family Papa Ada represent? Because they carry money give you the man. No be say they talk as if say the man was not expecting the money and he can't collect them. See, if you know they expect money, you they expect maybe forgiveness. And they say I'll give you 1 million naira. No vex. Say yeah, thank you, but we don't need the money. Your forgiveness is okay. We don't need the money. You not go take calm, you know. Not be say they give you dey front of water, you thank the person, you hug the person, you dey very, very happy. You carry the money, some hours, Mama enter online, say, I don't need the money. Which of the family collect and which one they reject her? The matter don't come there somehow.
Yes, what I see for them, Mama Ada, if really say she get feelings of her daughter, she not even supposed to come and they make noise on social media. She supposed to hospital, they pray to.
He can't be like say that man, he get that guy will be doctor where they always they upload. He can't be like say that one self they do hospital pass Mama Ada and one other woman again. Mama Ada, see Mama Ada as she fine finish. Your pikin they sick. Shoo, the woman kids as if say she they go party. Make her not talk, make it not be like say Queen they talk anyhow.
Yes, she not going to say she won't accept interview at this point. Like, please, sorry, I don't have much to say. All I want is just for God to heal my daughter. Thank you.
Now my mind there for this part, for this aspect, now my mind now you they talk. When I see Mama Ada, I think say na auntie Ada, well like us maybe like. Honestly, I think say na Ada auntie. Even the papa, if you see the papa face, the papa be like person where they worried, you know, that stress, that battered stress, he did for Papa Ada face more than Mama Ada face. Mama Ada maybe the Ada, honestly speaking, her attitude, maybe not just a mama, now she go resemble. If you see them both, you go know say body resemblance, everything, now your mama now resemble. There are better ways. Not be say with the talk say she for collect money where she no want collect. Number one, not be she collect the money. Number two, the money was not meant for Mama Ada or family, as she say family no wants the money. The money was not meant for family. The money, the money na for treatment. Even if self say okay now, she don't explain say people don't already take over Ada treatment. You carry money go put for bank for Ada for one place. If Ada don't recover, Ada go come outside say, this money I no need am more. Make the return am back. Or the money I need am, I thank una very much. Or Google, you finish. You all you know want the money. Make una carry the money in bulk like that. Odumeje money una never give am because I see online say Odumeje reject the money or Odumeje refuse to collect the money. Let me ask myself, say come on. Una don't fair give Odumeje the money, then he can't refuse to collect am. Odumeje use cash, heap of money like the cash carry and give una. You want to give the person money back? Carry the money, heap like that. Go meet am for where I give you, carry and give am. I no want na mistake I take collect am. Simple, make you no collect, make we no say no collect am. Don't be say carry the money give you cash. You say make you bring a account number. As if you open account number for am. You know whether you get account number. Now you carry the money cash like that give you.
If you transfer, if you want to do that.
If you want account, if you put am for an account for transfer am. Exactly. You say if you should send account, they should tag him. They should tag him. Sure. The thing they somehow. That one go tell una say, Mama Ada never forgive Odumeje. That one go just tell you say, Mama Ada never forgive Odumeje. And if Mama Ada never forgive Odumeje, Odumeje no forgive your daughter and will one shop and raw. And at the same thing, now you don't they do, and people know they see say, Mama Ada they do the same thing. Una they say if now no go collect the money. If now you no collect the money, you are Odumeje now who if now you no collect the money when you see matter will be like this, your daughter offend this person. Una beg her for forgiveness, he no agree, then you don't already invest for her. Then if now you no go collect the money, you don't get this person grudge. You and the person, una two. I no see the difference between una two. You dey see the difference between Odumeje and Mama Ada na so. I no see the difference. In fact, this kind of Mama Ada, if you offend her, she no go agree quick forgive. And at the same thing with this Odumeje. Now the same thing with Rita, Rita Edoshe, not the same thing. I be waiting with the talk. I be if now Odumeje we go judge her separately. If now another person will go judge her separately. It's not supposed to work like that now.
You know everything, whether the person a pastor, whether the person not be pastor.
It no matter, na human being you be. Odumeje na human being, and he don't already make the mistake. When you can't already correct your own mistake, and therefore pass now, you don't correct the mistake, you don't forgive now in front of altar, everything is okay, everything don't already, all the grudges, you don't leave in front of altar. Move on, move on. Move on. I don't tell you to make you collect what you know and collect. But if you collect them like this, the way they take collect them, kindly carry the money in cash. That is it. That is it. No.
This why. The only time when she show face now after Odumeje don't forgive the pikin.
Like
she come back to pour everything when she gets inside her before. So it's an opportunity for her to explain.
Oh, the movement, una know they see people when they black say they know they see anything wrong. The movement where the women they do now, women I do that movement. That video, how many men in the background of that video we go say na them be the father of Ada or the uncle of Ada. That video background you go see say na women waka be that. The one for church for Odumeje you go see say na men waka be that. Why the mama no follow the papa go Odumeje church where Odumeje send for them? The woman for follow Odumeje go there from there reject anything where you no need. Obviously, because you know what tell me like people now where they say if na me, I no go collect the money. Come, this person now, so you don't forgive him, you don't get this person grudge, this person can give you 1 million naira, or give your pikin 1 million naira, or give person for your house 1 million naira. You know go thank him, you will come say, I don't want him, and you don't get the person grudge. Who be small pikin, nana? Who be small pikin? The way this woman said one, you go know say she never forget wetin Odumeje do. And the woman, it was past Odumeje because Odumeje do you pop and play. You know, you never forgive Ada. You know, forgive Ada. Mama Ada, she do video say she not a vessel. She don't forget everything, no. But the money she still no one collect them in that kind of manner. You go know say the woman they even lie say she not a verse, but she the verse and the forgive. She never even forgive Odumeje.
Yeah, she gets something when we say they never still let us know. Since when the family are only Odumeje know, when we never know, and I'm saying more things will come out. You know, say that small.
I bet me that is this matter. This matter. If na me be mama Ada and her family, if una like this una daughter well. Make una focus on attention on una daughter. Make she well. If she well finish, make una advise am. We dey talk, oh, people they talk. But the way that they do you own, they na attack. Whether na attack, I don't know. Like the one when she dey talk say Rita Edochie come call am to bring people for Odumeje to perform fake miracle. All those kind of testimony from Ada na something we reach to bring that Odumeje and the church. All those ones na damaging testimony from Ada life in public. Una know that one. This na the things the way Ada do. You dey see am. Odumeje wetin he do, he refuse to forgive Ada for wetin Ada do. Una dey see, don't be say Ada now so is without blame. Make una just pray, make una daughter come back. If she don't come back, una advise am. Make she not dey do like this online again. Make she calm down, you know. Make she leave Abi. Make she leave all this pastor. If they call you say make you bring member, no bring. If say the things that way she dey talk, some of them are true, some of them are lie. No associate yourself with pastors Odumeje or all this thing. Leave all these people and face your life. You don't get 23 years old. You dey do friend. You dey do friend with grandma Rita Edochie. Which kind friend na small girl 23 years old they get with Rita Edochie and Odumeje? See the kind people where you follow they do friend. People when they be like say at least na they go fit get pikin will be your age. You can imagine that you go advise your pikin ahead matter finish. Don't be so now go they drag the matter more. There's nothing you they drag inside here. Odumeje is wrong. No doubt. Odumeje they wrong. I know they tell you I say Odumeje they right. But Ada do something before the person. In fact, Ada do something before she they go ask for forgiveness. Mona know they forget that part. And again, Mama Ada on your own. If you want to reject the money because you get right to say I don't want this money. Peacefully, kindly reject the money. No be say you go call the clap hand. Not be say you go call the clap hand and say you should bring account number. Who know him? They should tag him. Let them send account number. Carry the money now. Carry the money in bulk. The way they give you now. Go in church. When she they talk, she they see they talk saying that people now they take care of Ada. The people where they take care of Ada sickness, 1 million naira join the raise for those people now something. Because now from their pocket, now they take care of Ada. No be saying now from your pocket or from your husband pocket. Kidney not be small sickness. You can go need to travel, you go need to transplant and all those. 1 million put inside the raise, now see something. Okay, if the money no they enter there, bank the money somewhere else you don't want her. After all, they don't give you the money. They don't give family, they don't give mama Ada, they don't give papa Ada. They give papa Ada say take for your daughter sickness. You see, huh? So which family the women come out, the women will come outside, which family now they represent? The men will go the church now go collect money. Which family now they represent? You say the man don't know the time you want collect na small pikin. If you don't know the time they want give you something and the person they stretch the thing they call, you know they reject and say you don't want them. Maybe the man don't collect and don't go as the woman don't fire her for house. Normally African home. The woman don't fire her for house. People don't advise them, say la, Mona not take the money. That's why they come outside say they don't want money when I don't take. Fine and good. But carry the money in bank, go the man church. If you know say for church, then fine and go ask. Peacefully, kindly drop the money for her, thank him for the forgive or you not forgive your daughter, and then off you go. Simple. Not be say you go there for your house a file account number where they want to send for you, may you send the money put for account. Because he know wire the money put for your account. My sister. Not be say they support Ojumeje, because people want come outside now go say they support them. Now different thing that they talk. I know they tell you now say the woman must collect what she no one collects. Now different thing that they talk. If you want to reject something, peacefully reject the thing.
Yeah, she go there all right. She go there fine, and then she go come use her mouth talk a lot of things when she still get for belle. The ones where she do and what she not do.
Me, if na me self. If na me, say the man do like that. Honestly speaking, me, they this kind of mama that true. Say my pikin also make mistake. You as a man of God, you refuse to forgive. I don't know why you go send for me the second time when I go even come. When I don't already see say your hand no dey for the pikin sickness now, normal kidney, and people don't already they take care of the pikin. Nothing go make me come. And if I get husband when he black say he come from my back, if I get husband away from my back, go. He not consign me.
Okay, he's not ready to forgive. They see her.
If my husband pass back, say one go collect the money, nothing consign me. I go just stay my own. You know, call my name put. Money is not mine. I go just stay my own.
After all, you are the father, so now you know.
Yes, Abi, I go just stay on my own lane.
I don't know the waka when you don't waka on my behalf. Now we have waka rich now.
Simple.
So now so it be. So to cut your long story short, maybe we just pray for that. Everybody, may God continue to heal her because we see say she got to recover.
Yes, so the people who they take care of and they're actually doing a good job. So they do good job.
She looks very okay to me.
Yes, so the day when they can't go to major church, she was not looking okay at all.
For her because God is giving her a second chance.
Yes, so
when she will know how to talk with her mouth. And a lesson to all of us, even we will be YouTubers too, when say sometimes we dey talk, go here. You understand? If you come out, make we still be careful until we talk about people. Because if you talk about A today, if you no answer you talk like that to B, if you get another power when you no get.
True.
So, talk for social media general, even those who say they leave comments too, make we see the temper justice mercy for the comment section because some of them they finish us like finish like if I see for comments go bless him, I just close the channel. You know what they worry, you try the news with this summer you got drop there, don't try out the way they go they warn me, they see me for grand when they give me money.
But they do that thing well. Me, my own, they go say I dey for Aduro house, they talk anyhow. Government give me house, call furniture for me. Aduro house. Now what? Praise people.
I'm telling you. But we thank God, we thank God. Nice chatting with you. Thank you for this opportunity once again.
Thanks for coming, oh, my sister. Thank you.
Express my mind for this Ada Jesus, Imama Otumeje and Rita Etoshe matter. I make una still leave una comment down below. All these things where they go on. If you want
yes,
to
so.
Small, Ganisha with small hair, respect. God, for our skin.
try to assist. All right.
Okay.
Bye-bye, yo.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye. Yes, my beautiful people, that will bring us to the end of this particular video. I know say this video will not speak for everybody, but respectfully drop your comment down below, because we definitely no insult anybody. This is our mind, the way we take feel about this matter. I will soon have my next video. Now, bye-bye.